we have identified the exact top and the exact low for this entire week, right? So I'm going to share what we analyzed for the previous week. Hello traders, welcome to the channel. Today, 24th February, Nifty ends this week at 22,212 and Bank Nifty 46,811. See, we are talking for the weeks now that Nifty and Bank Nifty are differing in some patterns. To resolve that or to understand what is happening in Nifty and Bank Nifty, we are going to analyze from the weekly time frame to the hourly time frame. So before proceeding to today's video, I wish to share few charts we have analyzed in last week, and if you note that we have identified the exact top and the exact low for this entire week, right? So I'm going to share what we have analyzed for the previous week. See, on 20th February, when Nifty was trading around 22,196, I tweeted that crossing above 22,250 decisively, there are chances for Nifty to reach 22,742, 22,830. Please remember this level. We will discuss this point in later part of this video. Right. So here 22,250 is the level. In one more tweet, I said that 22,250 can be a resistance level on 20th February. See what happened on next day. On 21st February, the high made was 22,248.6. In other index charts, I could see 22,249.25. So our resistance is 22,250. Exactly got some resistance and the price dropped. And in our video, I have updated after that. In our video, I said that the support may come around here 21,930 or 950. In the worst case, it will come around 21,875. I will add that small clip for our better understanding. Here, I cannot say a convincing 5-wave up. So it can be A, B and C also, and 4 may complete and 5th one to proceed. So for that, we need to see 21,950 levels. Worst case, 21,875. Right. As we analyzed, the price got exactly supported 21,876.95, but in index chart, it is 21,875.20, exactly that we analyzed in previous day. Right, expected price to get support around 21,950. The worst case 21,875, and today's low was 21,875.20. Okay, so exactly we got the resistance and exactly got the support. Then on February 22, in the later part of the day, I said that waves are not very clear, need to check around 22,275 to the 22,300 levels for resistance. Again, if the price moves above this resistance or this level, we may see higher prices. That means this is the resistance zone, and on next day, the exact high was 22,297.50. That is our resistance of 22,300. And not only that, we expected that resistance got exactly in our range. The price may move sideways. The range is 22,200 to 22,150. This is expected range for support and possibly may move one more high. These are the analysis we did previous week, and if you see that level 22,200 to 22,150, the actual low made as of now was 22,187. Okay, within that range only. So just want to share this information to you. So this is what we analyzed for the last week. So what we can expect in next week? To be frank, the chart patterns are not very clear. Sometimes it's seeing like an expanded flat. We have some levels. We will discuss that. Sometimes it's seeing like a ending diagonal, or even in bullish case, there may be a chances for starting the third wave in the minor degree. So all these are open now. So we need to see wave by wave only. We know that we have got the entire the exact support and the top resistance, everything we have done here right from this point, right? We got the support here and we expected this price to reach this top, and we reached both the Nifty and Bank Nifty also, right? We got the support point and we expected 1000-point rally to 47,200 and it reached 47,300. So everything is done, and as per our last video I said that we are expecting some more other clues. So to get some more possibilities, we are going to analyze the Nifty and Bank Nifty for the weekly chart. So this is the weekly chart. Okay. So a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, wave 1, and this is wave 2. Actually, I thought it was just a wave 4 of this. I mean, wave 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 in the process, but the gaps and the price action seems to be a part of third wave. So I alter it a few months before itself that the wave 1 and wave 2 completed, we are in wave 3. So in that wave 3, here wave 1, 2, I can't mark it as wave 3. So the nature and character comes here. So it can be the entire price action can be the third wave. So it can be 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and 3 of 3 in process. In my opinion, the 3 of 3 itself not completed. That is my opinion now. So a 4 and 5 to complete only wave 3, and a 4 and 5 to proceed to bigger 3. Then a 4 and then 5. Okay. So in my opinion, a lot more to happen in Nifty in the markets. I'm upside. But anyway, we will analyze wave by wave. So here wave 3 of 3 means I'm saying this wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3. This 3 of 3. Okay. I change the color. Okay. This is bigger 3. Right. In that it is wave 3. So 4. Okay. And 4 and 5 for completing the wave 3. Wave 1, wave 2, and wave 3. All these are part of bigger 3s. Okay. Right. So I remove this, all these numbers. So understand that we are in a wave 3 now, and we are going to see whether the top has been made in the subwave. That is what we need to understand. And one more thing, I'm going to compare this chart with the Bank Nifty. Okay. Wait a minute. Right. Bank Nifty weekly chart. Same. So to align with the Nifty, I mark this as wave 1 and wave 2. Again, the same thought. It can be wave 4 and the entire price action can be wave 5, but Bank Nifty is still giving the option of ending pattern. That is where I'm saying Nifty and Bank Nifty showing different patterns. Okay, there is no steep price action as of now. Yes, we have find something, but this price action need to cross above this top for confirming the we are in 3, right? So in Bank Nifty, yes, this is still some confusions in Bank Nifty longer term chart. But okay, we are aligning with the Nifty, right? The 1 completed, 2 completed. So as like 1 and 2, and we are in process of wave 3. For that, wave 1, wave 2, and this entire price action can be wave 3. For that, the Bank Nifty needs to move higher. This is what the count if we need to align with Nifty and Bank Nifty. So I'm going to check the basic channel technique. Okay. You know, impulse and corrective patterns move in a channel. So I'm going to check the basic channel technique. Okay. You know, impulse and corrective patterns move in a channel. So I'm going to check the basic channel technique. Okay. You know, impulse and corrective patterns move in a channel. So I'm going to check the basic channel technique. Okay. You know, impulse and corrective patterns move in a channel. So I'm going to check the basic channel technique. I'm drawing a normal channel, not a Elliott wave channel. Okay, the price still within the channel and it may reach the top for the wave 3. This is a general idea. I'm trying in Bank Nifty, connecting all the lows. Okay, exactly getting support in lower channel. Right. See, exactly got support on the channel and you can see the entire price action in both Nifty and Bank Nifty. So all are within the channel. So if the thing is Bank Nifty needs to move above this top to act like a wave 3. Okay, that is what our expectation if the market needs to move higher. If market needs to come lower, this will give a breakdown below this line, right? That we are discussing in previous videos also. Okay, this is the idea. So now coming back to the Nifty as per the Fib numbers. I'm not going to take the Fib number for this wave 1 because it will give a much larger target that we will analyze later. So we are going to analyze only this part. So starting from this wave, that is within the wave 3. So this is wave 1, wave 2, and we are proceeding in wave 3. Just imagine. Right. So we are in wave 3 now. Usually wave 3 may reach 1.618 times of wave 1. I remove other Fib numbers. Right. Did you see where it is coming? 1.618 times 22,750 zone. Do you remember this number? Crossing above 22,250, there are chances of Nifty to reach 22,740 to 22,830. Right? This is one method of calculating the Fib number, but this range I calculated with other factors also. Right? So this is the level and this is one type of analyzing. This is the minimum expectation as per this wave, but there are some other calculations too. But if it is a wave 3, in my opinion, this level will be crossed for completing the 3. Okay, this is the minimum expectation. But in my opinion, if this is a wave 3, it will go much higher. I think it is around 24,000 levels. These are only expectations. If it is a wave 3, I am expecting this wave 3 alone. Okay, this wave 3, the pink, not internal, maybe 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, some sort of pullback and moving higher in weekly time frame may reach 24,000 levels. That is what my expectation in this price action. But for now, the immediate resistance comes around 22,750, around that zone. That is what we need to watch. But in minor time frames, the pattern is not impulsive as of now. That is what again we are getting some confusions. So I'm moving to daily chart or hourly chart for the purpose of understanding what may happen in coming week or coming month. See, I'm going to analyze only this particular wave. I hope you understand. Okay, right from week we are lowering the time frame for the current price action. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1 minor, a small wave 2, and all these price actions are seem to be a wave 3. Whether we completed wave 4 here or still in wave 4, the time only confirm because there are some confusions here. So after completing 4, the price will move in 5. If it is already completed, the price slowly approach the target in wave 5. Or this can turn to be a bigger 4. So if it is still a 4th wave, we can find only 3 waves. Okay, it may come lower to complete the 4 and may move higher. Right? This is the expectation. So now I mark it as, so what is the possibility if the wave 4 already completed? I'm moving to hourly chart. right? So this is not a convincingly impulsive, but it can take impulse action, because I have seen in many charts, it may initially look like a not an impulsive, because that's the nature of wave 1. If it is, you cannot expect clear patterns in wave 1. That is the basic character of wave 1. So we can decide only with the wave 3. So it may even move in a wave 3 character. We don't know. So if it is a fourth wave isn't completed, what we may expect in a fifth wave? Some sort of impulse wave or an ending diagonal. As of now, it not seems to be an impulse wave. So I can expect a 3-3-3-3-3 structure. So if it is a 3-3-3 structure, I may expect Nifty to reach 22,570 levels. Right. This is a 3 wave. That means an ending pattern. The price may move like this. Okay. To complete the 22,800 levels, like this. This is one option, because we are getting a 3-3-3 wave structure here, right? So what is the other option? So if it is still in wave 4, I mean 3, 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, where the wave B can stop, there is higher chances for reaching the 22,500. We have discussed before this, if it is ABC. So 22,480 levels, 20,480. In previous idea, we seen the 22,600. So around this zone, okay, we need to see 20,400 to, 20,480 to 580 or 600 levels. There is the chances of price moving higher, the first thing. And interestingly, if it is an expanded flat, that is to come lower, already, like this, okay, the B wave should not cross or will not cross the 1.382 levels, which comes around 22,500. See this level. So all numbers locating 22,500. If it is expanded flat, the B wave mostly will not cross 22,500. Even if it crosses intraday, it will close down, right? If it close down and may move lower to complete the bigger wave 4, right? If it crosses and closes above this 22,500, then this is not an expanded flat, and we are making an ending diagonal in wave 5 or impulse in wave 5. So for that, we may already have one idea that 22,780 or to 800, 22,700 to 800. So this is the approach in Nifty now. I hope you understand. Okay. So on either cases, we can expect 22,400 to 500 levels. Okay. This is what the expectation now if Nifty moves higher. Let me check in any hourly chart. Any other clues we have? Hourly chart. At the same time, there is no condition that wave B definitely move to 1.32. That is the maximum limit. Okay. It can even complete at 100% also. But looking at this ABC and ABC, there is no impulsive on both sides. Okay. There is no impulsive move here. There is no impulse move here. Here also there is no impulse move here. So all moves are like a 3-3 move. So the 3 ways mostly move to 100%. That also showing around. So that level also coming around. See the 22,570. We just saw, right? That level. So yes, we need to see around this level, 22,550 to 22,500 levels. Okay, this is the most important level. Now, if the price moves higher, we need to check around these levels, 22,500 to 550. even 600, right? When price approaches there, we can even get a better resistance, right? This is what the idea. Okay, when we can change this view, if the price close below this level only, this level, which comes around 21,500 levels. Okay, this is the pattern appearing now. We may get a further close. As I said before, we identified this move, so we need a fresh clue, then only we can take additional levels, but these are the possibilities open. Okay, we will get the fresh clues so that we can decide even better. So as like Nifty, yes, Bank Nifty, if you check this level, only this wave, it seems to be wave 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, because this is not a wave 4. So I mark it as 5 wave upside and a 3 wave down has been completed. You know, we exactly got the support few weeks before this point. You can find the videos, because the wave on top will give an important support for the impulse waves. So it is an impulse. As of now, it is impulse. So other clues I'm saying other clues, whether it is an impulse or not. So as of now, it's look like an impulse. And yes, it can turn to be a complex. Absolutely, yes. It is possible, but if the price goes below this level, there is higher chances for closing the all the bullish view. See, we expected 23,000, 24,000 in Nifty. All this view will become a question mark. So I think Bank Nifty will turn upside and will give a good move. That's the only possibility, that Nifty takes a lead. Okay, I'm not saying that Bank Nifty will move. If market wants to move higher, Bank Nifty needs to support. That's the important view I am sharing. So this can be wave 1, wave 2, and maybe wave 3 can start, right? That's the possibility for the price to going higher. If it is a complex, then it may come lower, but until this level closes, okay, we can still hold the bullish view. But if it is a part of third wave, the second wave retracement will not move like this in most of the cases. So the price needs to move higher for bullish view to hold, right? So on hourly chart, it already reached 100%. See, that's why I said Bank Nifty already reached our level. So that is where our level closes. We expected that 47,200 levels. Hope you remember the levels we mentioned. But it seems like one more move is still possible in Bank Nifty. Some kind of consolidation or breakaway, because I can see only 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. If it breaks above, this may even touch 48,000, 47,900, approximately 48,000 to fill the gap. Okay, most of the times the price will not stop in between the gap. It already in the gap. So it can touch it can fill the gap around 48,000. There is a higher chances if it breaks above. Is there any similarity in Nifty? Yes, in Nifty also, yes, if it is possible, the price may move higher to touch the 22,500. So both things, there's a possibility of moving Bank Nifty to 48,000 and Nifty to 22,500 levels. But 22,500 will give an important clue. That's the important level to settle if it is an expanded flat. Okay, if it is expanded flat, the price will come all the way to 21,000 levels. Okay, that will be the deciding area. So these are the opinion now, and I already said there is a possibility of moving higher, and it seems like still a fourth wave, and that's why I said 22,200 to 22,150 zone, because of the reason that 38% comes here, right? But the wave 2 is even smaller, so we can expect if it declines, even 22,100, but most probably this may give support and move higher for the minor 5 waves. That can be just a first wave, second wave and third wave to complete the 22,500 levels. So let's see. These are not any recommendations because market is not giving a clear pattern as of now, because Nifty in a different structure and Bank Nifty in different structure. If you see in weekly chart time frame, you can easily find that Nifty moved a lot in upside, but Bank Nifty is holding the same level. If market wants to move higher, the Bank Nifty needs to support. So I am saying for the many weeks now, Bank Nifty will decide further. We need to see whether the Bank Nifty is going to lead in coming time, either upside or downside. Let's see what may happen in coming days. So things we discuss in this video are not at all any recommendations. As you know, the Nifty and Bank Nifty and market are not giving a clear patterns as of now. So we need to little wait for further clues. But these are the possibilities. And levels also I mentioned. Let's see what happen in coming week and weeks. Then we can decide further actions. And one more thing I want to say. This is an intermarket divergence. The top chart is a Nifty and bottom chart is Bank Nifty. If you see, there is an intermarket divergence. That's why we get a decline here. Okay, so wait, let me align this equally. Right, 5124, 5124. So in both the cases, Nifty made a new high, but Bank Nifty not supported, and Bank Nifty drags the Nifty also to come lower. I believe this divergence has been settled with this correction, and now you can see Nifty made a higher high and Bank Nifty not made a lower low but equal low, and Nifty leads the Bank Nifty now by pulling Bank Nifty also in higher side. But in overall structure, if you see Nifty making a higher high, but Bank Nifty still in a lower high only. Right? Is this an intermarket divergence? Yes, possible, but I believe this divergence has been already sorted out, and we are moving, aligning with each other, I believe. So Nifty and Bank Nifty aligning with each other. And I show one more example here. See, while this happening, the Bank Nifty made a higher high. Sorry, Nifty made a higher high and Bank Nifty made a equal high. Okay, this is equal high, and because of this divergence, both came down, a three wave down, and started moving higher. But if you see, at this time, the Nifty has already crossed this high. Okay, I marked in other colors. Okay, in blue. When crossing this high, the Nifty crossing this high, the Bank Nifty was still below this level. See here, this level. I keep the cursor on same date. See, 29th November 23. Okay, you can see that in top chart Nifty, it crossed this high, but at the time the Bank Nifty was lower only, but that does not create the intermarket divergence because this divergence has been already completed here. So it is a fresh move. I think this is the same situation happening now. So this divergence already completed, and this move cannot be treated as a intermarket divergence, and still we are expecting some up move in Nifty and Bank Nifty. So this divergence will be resolved and it may make higher highs. So let's see what happen in coming days. And this is one more study I'm showing for your learning purpose. You can add intermarket divergence along with whatever you study you are following. This will help you in several ways, right? So this is what the update I wish to convey to this weekend. So thank you. Thanks for your support. If you want to learn the Elliott wave in 100% practical approach like this, not at all theory, everything will be on practical way and approachable way. This is how we need to do Elliott wave analysis in real time. So if you want to learn Elliott wave, you can subscribe the channel and share the video with other fellow traders who wish to learn the Elliott waves. So thank you for support. I received many messages from you, comments, positive comments from you, and that makes me even work harder. And thank you so much for all your support. Trade safe. We'll meet you in another video. Take care. Happy weekend. Bye.